Hey everybody, wanted to do a little update. It's been a while since I've done an update on this one. But I've started working on the little guys James Moore sent to me. The little scuba set. So right now I'm trying to make it so their legs look like they're either hanging on the side of it or swimming along in front of it. So one of them came in, I don't think he was supposed to be swimming, maybe he was standing. But one of them was like swimming. This one I cut his one leg. I'm going to have to probably cut his other one, because he don't look like he's swimming too much. But I used that 2-part epoxy magic sculpt. It is a lot like Maluput, and then Tamiya has one, I believe. But it's just any kind of 2-part clay. But they use such dark green plastic on it that the normal styrene glue does not like it. So what I did was, this is hollow and this was hollow, so I put a toothpick inside and smushed that magic sculpt in there real good to give it a little bit more. I don't want to test it and see how strong it is, but I'm sure it's pretty strong. Give it some strength, and it's real easy to sand. So like his leg here, I'm going to sand that a lot better. So I probably will cut this leg like that, and maybe even there, and straighten that out a little bit. I think this is the only one that I didn't put any in there. It actually glued pretty well. This guy, I think I was going to have him hanging on the side. Have him kind of just holding on. I'll have like his knee touching it, maybe his hand touching. And have this one maybe swimming ahead. And maybe having a guy on the other side. So I might not have to change him too much. Be like that. And then now I had to mess with the arms and get the scuba packs on them and everything like that. Maybe get them holding some harpoons to make them kind of look like the movie. What I'll probably end up doing is a little tiny wire drilling into this, and then putting that little wire into the guys, so that way they look like they're swimming. I still haven't done the finishing touches on the gauges, and these will need some, and I need to do some darkening, weathering. Like I try to put some spots that were like chipped and messed up a little bit. And I did the rivets on the bottom, and this spot keeps on coming out. But you can see the missiles in there. I just glued those in. I glued them in the way the artwork for the movie actually showed them. They were actually like tucked in like that. So, and in the box art they showed it sitting on top. So, but it's getting there. I gotta put some. I'll probably just put a wire or something in there and just make it simulate it, because at that scale you're not really going to see the tip too much. So I might just drill a little hole in there and glue a wire, make sure it's nice and straight. Do it that way. For the guys in the cockpit, they had some in a kit, but they just did not look good at all. So it's almost like I'd rather not have anybody in the cockpit than to put somebody in there that just doesn't look good. So, I have no clue yet. But let me know what you think so far. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.